It's a 57 fire lane, drop top, old gangster white wall. This is the fast lane. Wow, like I said, I only see these things on TV, man. I never get to see them in life, real life. Man, look, they still got the original dashboard. Bruh, everything is so put together. They took their time to put this together. Wow. It's a 500 model, huh? This is crazy. Man, this is true Americana right here, bro. This is true Ooh. Man, who stole Al Capone's car?
White cars, man, come see us.
Hey, if y'all get a chance. Oh, sir, come here. I'm a YouTuber. Go ahead and blast it out.
All right, October 30th in Clarksville, Mississippi, Delta Blues Museum. We're gonna have a car show. It's gonna be our 6th annual show. We're gonna have live music, prizes, and last year was our biggest turnout. So y'all come see us. I'll give you a few more of these in case you got some buddies. Are you from Greenville or?
No, I'm from Hollandale. We got over 40,000 subs right now. We only been on there a year and 6 months.
Okay.
So,
appreciate it, man.
Hey, I'm just trying to get. I do music on there, but I'm trying to get more than just music.
Yeah, ain't nothing wrong with that. You gotta be diverse.
But I wonder why this is too beautiful right here. This is too beautiful. The suicide doors, wood grain. Come on, you can't beat this over the head with a stick. Man, this got to be over $100,000 car. Oh my God! Look at all the chrome pieces. Y'all don't know what y'all missing. Look at all these chrome pieces. Oh my God. Oh man. This is so beautiful. This is a 31. Oh my God. Wow. Man.
69.
Is this a Bel Air? Is this a Bel Air?
Y'all come up here and pick out your door prizes.
Wow. Look at that. They chromed it out. Yeah. They did everything to this. They took their time with those.
56, yeah. 57's got the wing on the back. What y'all doing out here?
This is nice.
Oh, you got the money for it.
You got the money.
We want a giveaway.
No, ain't no giveaway. Ain't no giveaway. They took time to put money in these.
That's a Chevy Impala. That's a 6'4", ain't it?
Yes, sir.
That's a classic there.
That's nice. That is too
Ain't
nice.
that sweet?
That black. I don't know about the interior. I'll tell you the interior though.
I bet you'll drive it though.
Oh yeah, I drive the heck out of it with the interior.
6'4" Impala.
Oh, 4.9. Lord have mercy. That's almost
61 Impala.
61. I'm gonna have to look at the rear view lights.
I thought it was 64, but 64 is more popular, I think.
Ooh. Lord have mercy.
That's sweet.
No, that one right there. Al Capone with all that chrome. Lord have mercy.
That's back in the 30s there, ain't it?
Yeah, that's like a 30. No, that's a 29. That's a 29.
That is crazy.
He told me it took
Hummer out here, old Hummer.
He said it took him a year and 6 months to build it.
That's a 56.
Where did my family go? They ran off. Let me catch up with my family. These some nice cars out here. High side Chevy, built off the floor. Oh my God. Please tell me this is not what I think it is. I'm gonna have to take my hat off because I'm sweating through my hat. I don't want to sweat through my hat. Look at the body. The body's straight. Please tell me this is what I think it is. Yes, it is. This is the Charger almost to the General Lee. Huh? This is what the 500 Chargers made that started off the Charger American Muscle. Right here.
What is look like a Nova?
That's a Charger.
Oh.
That's a 70 Charger. 425 Chevy. That one I'm talking about SS. Ain't that the truth? But it ain't old enough. Yeah, this is a 55 here. No, this is a 69. My bad. I'm sorry. Ooh. I ain't worried about the milk truck right now. Trying to talk over this music. Trying to make sure I get all the film in, everything. Look at that. Yeah.
Well, people have told me kind of what they're
Yeah. Now, you know I can't. I think it's way more than that, talking about 3.2 million. Red Guts interior. This is a Chevrolet X10. Big block. Man, they ain't did this in so long. Look how they did the radiator cup, the radiator hole. Look at that. Wow.
83 Avanti. Okay, Ma, I see you.
I gotta look this car up. I ain't never seen this front bumper style before.
I should see it.
This is an Avanti.
Like a Viper.
One of my dream cars is sitting in front of me. Are you serious? This can't be a boss. Please tell me this ain't a boss. Oh my God. This is a 69 Chevy Boss. This is a one of a kind to see. Oh my God. This is a, oh my, is that a Stingray? Oh my God. Babe, this is a Boss. This is one of my dream cars. This is a 69 Chevrolet Boss Mustang. Oh my God. They messed up the paint a little bit right there, but they can redo that. Ooh, Lord. This will only be pulled out on Sunday. This won't go out no time soon but Sunday. It'll be on concrete.
Wait, say on Sunday.
On a Sunday. A nice sunny day.
514 and this one, man.
Huh? Sir?
514 Boss.
That's why I said this is one of my dream cars.
This is Ron here.
Woo,
514.
and she'll get up and go.
It sound louder than that.
Oh yeah. See, they put the muffler delete on that to make that sound.
But this will be regular, this will be stock here.
Yes, sir. This joker do from 0 to 60 within 3.
514 Boss, oh my God.
Man, he need better traction tires on there because he gonna throw his old bag out.
The guy's name that rebuilt it. Probably. John K. I bet that's who rebuilt it. I'm about to put money on it. Personal sticker.
Yeah.
See his name. Let's see. You know, they had this.
This is crazy though.
Oh my God. I'd love to see that on.
I like to see this joker just cruise.
Put it off the line. You know what I'm talking about? Jerk it off the line.
Don't jerk it. Just let it snort. Just let it snort. Just cut it on and just let it.
They go down the road and just hit the gas pedal there. Let it vroom, you know.
It be, and then I would love to put pearls in this paint a little bit, just a little pearl. Ooh, Lord, but it just look fine, just like it is.
This right here, this like a Camaro. The interior match
yeah, that's how you do it. That's how you do it. You got to have the interior matching. If you're gonna restore it right.
The barbecue right here will be ready to start serving. Wendy just told me that American Queen or one of them is coming down the river. So everybody needs to move over here. If you want to see the Queen coming down, come over here and check things out along the river.
I see the Queen in a minute. I'm seeing enough prizes right now. Look at this. This is an Impala. This is crazy.
And while the Queen comes down, Rolling on the River's going to play.
Well, look like I'm gonna be blunting this one out too. Y'all get a chance to see all the cars. Oh man, he got the Impala symbol on it. Look at the interior. Oh man, the dash. This is what I'm talking about. This is what I'm talking about.
Oh, they chromed it.
If you're gonna do a car, do it right.
They chromed it.
Inside out.
Yeah, I see her now.
They chromed it. Right here. They chromed it.
Oh, they chromed the top? Oh man, look at that. They chromed the top. Look at that. Look at how they chromed the top. They chromed the top. So the mirror can match the inside. This is crazy. Chevy SS. Little Chevy SS Camaro.
My old buddy Barney.
Wow.
All right. 5th annual.
Smoke gray.
This will be February.
Smoke or something else great. It can be a different grade.
Man, these are nice. These are 30. This is 36 Chevy truck. The black grill, giving that black inset. Yeah, step board.
That look radiator.
Normally the radiator be more out, but that's nice too.
Because so you won't hurt nobody. No, so you won't damage you.
You can get more closer to it. Then they stuck the train horns in there. Then you got block. Yeah, this is nice. This is nice. They took their time to put this back together. They took their time. Look at the interior. Yeah, that's how you do it. You do the interior, you're gonna do it right. This is a Bel Air. Yes, sir. Another Bel Air black. Oh my God. The wheels on is too different, but I like that. Interior, put the black and red stitching in to get the black accent. Yeah, that's nice. That's pretty nice right there.
I like to hit my 15-year mark before I actually go. But
1, 2, 3 Bel Airs. God,
yeah, they would hire me.
wow.
She can't do that. Yeah.
Cameron, watch how you step. You don't want to kick the car. Be respectful now. Wow. Yes, sir. Cameron, tell me what the RT stand for on charges.
RT? Just
Tim?
for you ask who likes me
No.
don't like me.
I asked him, Cameron, what's the RT stand for on the charge?
RT stand for?
Road or track? That's what it stands for.
Now, when you got friends like I got, one of them I call it a red turd.
He need to be pimp slapped.
And then another one called a rattle trap.
No way.
That's good name. That's my friends right there.
This man restored that car.
That's 19 years. That thing got 19 years old.
This car look like almost like the General Lee a little bit.
Well, it's the body of the General Lee. It is. Oh.
Wow. I only seen this car twice, and that's on TV.
Really?
I seen a gentleman named, they called him the Count. It's in Las Vegas.
Danny. My name's Danny. His name's Danny.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, nice to meet you.
Name's Jeffrey, but I got a YouTube channel called Mega Lockdown. We normally do music reaction, but I'm trying to mix it up. See, people don't know about Mississippi. They just think we down here. So I'm just trying to put some, I can't put the music on there, but I'm gonna put the cars on there.
Yeah, no.
But he went with that black interior. Come on, when it get hot, that black interior, no joke.
Yep, it's smoking hot in there in the summer. It doesn't normally get driven in the summer.
Oof.
But
This is, yeah, hey, if I put this on here, this is what started off them can openers y'all driving now. Them 2021 can openers. Them can openers hit this, they going to the hospital. This right here gonna say, did you hit me? And keep going. This is all steel. This ain't.
Yeah, they were always the engine car, man, was still you.
Yeah.
This when a new car was there, he gonna fold that car up.
Like a woo. And this the body of the General Lee. This is the one everybody be running out through.
That's the one that Don Toretto
Bel
stole.
Airs high that telephone pole hits the ground. But it doesn't drive no more after it hits the ground.
It ain't built for that. It built for one thing.
No car is made to leave the ground.
This car built for Sunday driving.
Well, it's made to
No. I'm talking about for me, it'll be parked in the concrete.
fast in this car.
I ain't trying to go that fast. I just want to be here to end. That's it, cruise control. But thank you, sir. Let me video it. Wow.
Oh my God!
Where they get the Martin Luther King car from?
Okay, look, in between C6 or C7. Hey, babe.
Ooh.
Watch out, there's a big
Empire behind. Ooh. What in the?
Oh, it's a 16. I said 14. So I was close.
This is 7 Chevrolet 6. Yeah. This is a 2016 year, but this is 6.
Oh, it is?
This is 6.
I thought it was. What is it, a black? No,
No, that's the top that that's the top that goes on.
Carbon fiber.
Yeah, carbon fiber top is in the trunk.
They got it.
Yeah.
Probably carbon fiber wing too.
As we say, Chevy gang or no gang. That's how it is. But Chevy need to step up their interior, man, on some of these new cars. They look booty. Look at that smiley face right there.
I'm enjoying myself.
I bet you is.
Sweating.
I'm over here sweating my butt off.